Just go to the Google and search Predis.ai. Then you will get a website like this. They click on the above link, then you will be redirected to this website. You can create content like ChatGPT and create videos like Canva, and you can also post the videos or schedule the videos like Hootsuite through Google, or you can sign up through email also. So if you have an account, you can log in, and if you want to create an account, you can sign up. So here I am signing up with Google. I have account, so I'll try like this. I have given one mail ID. So like this you will get a screen. So you can watch demo over here, or you can create whatever you want. So I'm go to the content library. So you'll get this screen. So you can create new. So you can give the idea over here, idea, business, e-commerce, whatever you want. You can pick, choose the post. So just quotes, if you want quotes you can give special day quotes, manual, or you can do it manually also. So I'm going to give an idea for this. So this is the idea I have: 5 tips to grow your social media leads. So this is the second step I have to do is to select the topic. And third one is, what do you want to generate, like what do you want to generate. It might be a image or a carousel or a video. So video will be getting in 16:9. So that is in the shorts also you will get. So let's see what it gives. So click on generate post. For single image I am generating. So this is a post I got: leads, likes, and shares, how to boost your social media presence. So this is the sheet I had. If you don't like it, you can also edit it by clicking on the edit button. So if you want to edit the text, you can text change it, or you can, if you want to add logo over here, you can add it. And any other buttons here you can add website and everything, you can, it is possible to edit. So effects, if you want to add any effects, blur effects, so these are all you can add it. So if you want to fit into the page, you can also fit it. If you want to remove the background and add it, you can do it. Okay, so now we will try the video over here. So create new, click on create new again. So you will have idea over here. So click on video. If you want video, it you can select the time duration also, up to 30 seconds or up to 7 seconds, whichever you want you can use. So click on generate post. It will give the video. So but you have to wait for some time. So you can, now you can view the idea. So this is how you got. So we can create target content, it seems. Use visual content to attract attention. Engage with your followers to build relationships. So in 35 seconds I got this video. So this is amazing. So if you wanted to change this any content from this, you can change here. So here it shows the brand site or brand name. You can change the brand name. If you didn't like any of the content, you can just click on that and change the content. or images. If you don't like the images also, you can change it. If you want it to pull it, you can pull it and flip it to the full screen. So anything, if you wanted to changes, you can do it, everything, you whatever you want. Then if you want, if it is okay, then it is okay. Then click on download. Let's see, wait. So click on save if you have edited. So if you don't like any of things, you can choose templates over here. It will give in that template. This is all, this is for free only. So if I like this, so it will generate in this template. You want to share or share, you can, or you can export this. This is how you can use this website to create amazing images and videos for your brand, and then you can share it on your social media or platforms like YouTube.